Terry. Hi. You're so cute. You gonna play with me again? Yeah. Hi. Hi. You are so cute. Meow. Hi. Peekaboo. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. I'm gonna take everybody home. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. Hi. You thunder buddy. Yeah. Oh, you're sniffing my finger. Hi. You're so cute. Yeah. Oh, thunder buddy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you are. Hi. Aww.
What do you think about these two guys? I don't see any of the other ones over here. Thunder Buddy's a female, looks like.
Hi.
They're both females.
Hi, sweetheart. What's this one's name?
Thunder Buddy and River.
River. Aww. Aww. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi.
I want these two.
Hi. Hi. So sweet. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. And what are you? Are you just Mr. or Mrs.? You're Mrs. Hungry Butt? Mrs. Hungry Butt? With a little curious face?
They're both girls.
Hi. Oh. Oh. Hi.
No, she's just fat.
Look at you. Hi. Want to go home with us? We didn't even hardly look around yet. No, we didn't. We didn't even look. Look at you munching. Oh, yeah, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi.
I believe so. So she came in with these two. She is actually through Operation Catnip, so we could probably have one of the techs examine him, and then he should be able to get it off.
It's orange juice.
Today, or like, he should be able to go today.
Hi.
I want to stay and wait for that.
It's Orange Juice Jones.
I would go home on
Hi.
Mom, you got some
Hi.
I wouldn't want somebody to let me walk around like that.
Hi, Orange Juice.
That was I can't get over
Hi.
that. I've got 5 inside, 3 outside.
Oh, hi, Darla. Hi.
With working here, I foster fails.
Yeah, you like to talk, don't you?
I had to.
Little bitty. little bitty kitty. Yeah, you're just a little bitty kitty. You're just a little bitty.
So I tracked all these suckers and what they got. And I'll take them back, but I don't want babies.
Orange juice. Yeah, kind of sad. Orange juice. Penny is sleeping.
Ones there, they haven't been fixed yet.
Hi, Darla. Hi.
They're on surgery schedule for next
Hi.
week.
Hi.
Oh, so this is good. Like she said, that possum is fixed to anything.
Look at you. Oh boy. Are you Thunder Buddy? Thunder Buddy? Hi. What are you doing back there, silly? Hmm? You're being silly? Hmm? You a silly boy? Or silly girl? I don't know. I think you're a silly girl. I'm a good boy. You guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Hmm? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you like that? You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh. Yeah, you're so precious. Yes. Yes, you are. I see you back there. Yes, I do. I see you. Hi. Oh, look at that face. Look at that little face. Oh, can we stretch? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that stretch. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Hmm?
If you want to go ahead and start it.
Yeah, we can get you guys started. Is the adoption going to be under your name or her name?
What are you doing?
Okay. Well, I mean, as long as the cats aren't being pulled out and put on the floor, you are totally fine to keep hanging out with them and letting them do what they do.
Hi there. You trying to get me? Hmm? I see you. I see you. I see you. You just want some pets, don't you, Terry? Huh? Yeah. You are silly. What are you doing back there? You're beating up your towel? I can see you. You're silly. Yes, you are. You're silly. What are you doing? Hmm? You got your toy? Oh, I'm sorry. Am I not paying attention to you? Hmm? Hi. Oh, goodness. Got stretch. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh my goodness, you like your head rubbed, don't you? Hmm? Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at you. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Don't fall you doing? I see you back there. I see you. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. You just like to steal the show, huh? Yes, you do. Oop. Don't head bump yourself right out of there. My goodness. Did you roll over right into the food dish? Yeah, you sure did. You sure did. What are you doing back there? Hi, I see you. I see you. I'm over here munching. Hello, you back? Aw, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. Hey. You got your face. Yeah. Oh, is that you down there, Terry? I hear you. I hear you, Terry. Terry. Oh, look at you. Hi. Hello. Hi. No. And you ready? And Ripper. You're so sweet. Look at you. Hi. Face is so cute. Yes, it is.